Hello friends, let's solve question number 6 here. The fourth term of a geometric progression is 2 by 3 and the seventh term is 16 by 81. Find geometric series. So I have written whatever was given in the question, A4 and A7. So here A4 can be written as AR cube equals to 2 by 3. A7 can be written as AR power 6 equals to 16 by 81. Since the formula an equals to a into r power n minus 1. So this is the formula. Based on this formula I have written these two values. Clear? So what do? I will put this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Let's do in the next step equation 2 by equation 1. What do we get? We'll get ar power 6 by ar cube equals to 16 by 81 by 2 by 3. Why did I do equation 2 by equation 1? Because here the r power is 6, here it is r power is 3. In order to make the calculation simpler, I did equation 2 by equation 1. Okay. Let's simplify this. So 2 1s are 2 8s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 7s are. So a and a will be cancelled off. R power 6 minus 3 equals to 8 by 27. R cube equals to 8 by 27 here. So this can be written as 2 cube by 3 cube, correct? Therefore R cube equals to 2 by 3 whole cube. Because 2 cube it is 8 and 3 cube it is 27. So from this, since exponents are equal, that implies by comparing bases should also be equal. Therefore R value is 2 by 3. So R value is 2 by 3, correct? So we got R value. And by substituting in either of the equations, we'll get a value also. So put r equals to 2 by 3 in equation 1. Let's see what do we get. Ar cube equals to 2 by 3. A into 2 by 3 cube equals to 2 by 3. Correct? So here A equals to 2 by 3 by 2 by 3 cube. So this is power 1. So the next step you can write this as 1 by 2 by 3 square, because 3 minus 1 it becomes 2. Okay, this is in the form of a power m by a power n. This can be written as a power m minus n or 1 by a power n minus m. So 3 minus 1 it becomes 2. So 1 by 4 by 9. Okay, therefore a value will be what? 9 by 4. Here if the denominator is in fraction, that fraction will goes reverse. Okay, a value we got it as 9 by 4 and r value we know. Based on these two values we can find the series, right? So here a equals to 9 by 4, r equals to 2 by 3. So first term a1 equals to a equals to 9 by 4, a2 equals to a1 into r. What is a1? 9 by 4 into what is r? R is 2 by 3. Correct? 3 1s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. It will become 3 by 2. What is a3? A3 is a2 into r. What is a2? Here it is 3 by 2 into what is r? R is again 2 by 3. So 2 2s are 3 1s are 3 1s are. It is 1. What is a4? A4 is a3 into r. What is a3? 1 into 2 by 3. It becomes 2 by 3. Correct? So we got here a value, we got r value, we got a1, a2, a3, a4 values. Therefore let me write it here. Therefore geometric series equals to, what is a1? A1 is 9 by 4, 3 by 2, 1, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 1, 2 by 3 and so on. So this is the geometric series. So this is the solution for question number 6. So first what did I do? I have put first one as equation 1 and the second one as equation 2. I have divided equation 2 by equation 1 so that you will get the r value. By simplifying you will get the r value here. So by putting r value in either of the equations you will get a value. So here I got the a value as as 9 by 4 and r value we got as 2 by 3. By these two values you can easily get all the terms a1, a2, a3, a4. So first 4 terms I have defined it. So in case you want you can extend it later, but for examination point of view, in case if they ask, just do up to that many terms. In case it is not asked, 3 to 4 terms is sufficient. So the answer is 9 by 4 comma 3 by 2 comma 1 comma 2 by 3 and so on. So this is the solution for question number 6. I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.